Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can fix the issue on Discord when it says that update is failed. So for that you need to open up Task Manager and close Discord properly from there, and after that you need to open up Run, and in the Run you need to search for percentage local app data percentage and just click enter, then locate Discord over there, and after that open up Discord's folder. You will be able to see an update.exe file in Discord's folder. Just rename it and rename it to update01 or anything that you want, and after that just save it that way. Just close Discord and your PC, restart your PC, and after restarting PC the Discord should work smoothly. And if it doesn't work smoothly, then it must be a problem on Discord's end, so wait for a while and it should work. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.